So this is Jamaica. Right here. We're off the MSC Cruise. Uh-oh, might be raining. Might be raining soon. Got Scotia Bank right there. Some tax-free diamond shops. Some other shops. Hopefully it doesn't rain soon. Island Village. Everything crisp. Island Village. Some stores here. Hopefully whatever song he's singing is not copyrighted. Tavern and lounge. Model, Instagram model taking pictures. Instagram model taking pictures and everything, holding up the line. That's joking. Booyaka. You got some fishes. Got some fishes down there. Oh, it's raining. I gotta get back. It's raining. So, oh my, no, it's raining. Oh, maybe bad. I gotta walk back to the ship. Oh man. Okay, I didn't get exit here. Okay, so this is what you can expect from. Okay, give me a second. I'm the worst YouTuber ever. Ocho Rios fishing village. This is what you can expect from Ocho Rios, the fishing village. Okay, we're gonna head back to the cruise, to the MSC Cruise. Look at all the tourists here. No, it's raining. Okay, I should. Man, this is bad. It's raining now. Okay, we're just gonna keep walking. Keep walking. Cruise is over there. So this is how Jamaica is. Come on. Bless me up. Bless me. Here's the ocean.
Stepping through the water.
Oh, I should buy my towel. That looks fun. The show. Oh.
Alright.
It only took like 9 minutes to walk from there to here. That's pretty quick. That's what she said. That's pretty quick actually. I walked from over there. 10 minutes. It's a kilometer.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Make a video, right?
Yes, the video.
Yes.
Welcome to
Jamaica #1. Usain Bolt. Bro, what's wrong with me, bro? I used to be safe. Professional yapper, by the way. Good thing it wasn't raining that hard. Alright, we're gonna enter the ship.
Looking at you all night long.